everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I took one for the team. Stay tuned. So several of you, including my sister Denise and friend of the channel, Sally Delgado, reached out to me to let me know that they have been contacted via email by Tuesday morning saying, "Crafters rejoice," because crafting was back. Now, naturally, I thought that was exciting news, and I thought, okay, well, you twisted my arm. I'll go take one for the team, and I'll check out Tuesday morning and see if they really are back in the same way that they used to be. I gathered up my purse, hopped in my car, and headed to Tuesday morning. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so very much for the wonderful way in which you support me and my channel. I really appreciate it. It's Tuesday morning, really back in the crafting game. Let's check it out. So hopefully the stripes in my sweater aren't too distracting. Sometimes the color combination of stripes can cause a little waviness on the screen, and hopefully that's not the case. I didn't even think about that this morning when I put on this particular sweater. It was so cold that I knew I would be wearing a sweater, and I just reached for this one. So hopefully it's not interfering with your viewing pleasure on my channel. So what I have on my desk are a few things that I was able to find at Tuesday morning. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what I was able to find, and then I'm going to give you my opinion on whether or not I think that Tuesday morning is really back in the crafting game. Now, I did buy multiples of the items that you see here on my desk. I don't need these items for my stash. As you know, my stash is very large, but I thought, okay, I'm in Tuesday morning. I'll go ahead and pick up some extras. I'm doing some de-stash boxes, so some of you might get some of these items in your de-stash box. I can't say that all of you will get these items, but some of you will get some of these in your de-stash boxes. I don't know who is getting which box because they are mystery de-stash boxes, meaning most of them have already been filled. I'll drop in a few of these items, and then we'll seal the box, print labels, and put the labels on the boxes. So I can't say with any certainty that your mystery box will contain some of these, but there will be mystery boxes that will have some of these in it. So let me show you what I was able to find. This is a pack of thickers, and they are from American Crafts. And you know, Tuesday morning was very big on carrying the American Crafts line of products. And these I really like because if you're looking for some Spanish crafting items, they did happen to have this set, and this set is called Shine Bright. And you can see the wonderful words that they have on here, some in English, some in Spanish. So good for American Crafts and taking the step to be just a little more inclusive in the crafting items that you make. Here's another thicker set from American Crafts, and this is called Wildflowers. I really do like this one. The vibrancy of these thickers are just gorgeous, and they'll be great on anyone's project. And if you're not familiar with what thickers are, they are thick stickers. Try saying that 3 times in a row. But these are nice and thick, and they feel just a little bit foamy. But look at how gorgeous these actually are. And then from American Crafts, I found this sticker sheet. We have these on the back and these on the front. And then this beautiful sticker sheet from American Crafts from the Jen Hadfield collection. Then we have another American Crafts, and this is called Glitter Girl. This is fun for the teen. And then I picked up a few packs of ephemera. This one is American Crafts Heidi Swap, and I'm looking for the name, and I don't see the name, but, and I'll turn it over to the back side so you can see the types of ephemera that you would get. We have some ephemera from Pink Paisley. This seems to be a birthday set. Very, very nice. You get so many pieces in this set. Unfortunately, the sticker is covering it, but there are a lot of pieces in this set, and it was $2.99. So those are all of the stickers and ephemera pieces that I bought. Then I picked up a few paper packs. This one is from Kaiser Craft, and it is the Flowering Native collection. I'll flip it over so that you can see the back side. You get stickers in the pack, and the pack contains 6 different paper patterns, 2 of each. So you get 12 double-sided sheets, and you can see what these sheets look like. So here are the top patterns, and there are the back patterns on the double-sided. And this was $5.99. And then I found this paper pad, which really caught my eye because of the vibrancy of the cover. Even the cover can be used in our paper crafts. And I think I'm going to try to figure out a craft to show you how, if you have a cover that looks like this, go ahead and incorporate it into your craft. Don't throw it out. And it's by Vicky. I think the last name might be pronounced Boutin or Boutin. I'm not really sure, but it's a really nice paper pad, double-sided. You have these nice muted graphics throughout, and a beautiful page of muted cut-aparts. This was my favorite page in the whole book. I love this page the most, playing off of this. Just a very quick flip through. I like this page as well. I like the whimsy of it. Love the hearts. And then we have some 6x4 cut aparts. And then it starts to repeat. So this paper pad, I took the original sticker off, but this paper pad I think was $6.99 or $7.99. And then the last thing I bought was a Holiday Homestead paper pad from Die Cuts with a View. It was $7.99. And it's double-sided, and there are foiled pages in this pad as well. I'm just going to do a very quick flip through so that you can see the papers in the pad. 2 of each pattern. There are 36 sheets in this book. So you have that starry page, then you have your Christmas plaid in pink and green. Then you have this beautiful foiled page, which might not be showing the way that I see it, but it's a gorgeous page that ordinarily would be greenery, but that greenery is now foiled. Then we have our poinsettias, our plaids, and you can see the back side of these pages as well. Christmas stockings and candy canes. A more masculine plaid with the foiling on the stripes. And then this looks like tweed. Then we have a beautiful cut apart page of varying sizes. So you have these tags, then you have these 4x6s, and then you have what looks like 2x1 stamps. More Christmas plaid with another cut apart sheet, a nice foiled tweed page, more Christmas plaid, Christmas scene, nice word page and more buffalo plaid, and then a musical page, word page along with poinsettia page. Beautiful foiled cut aparts. And y'all, that is it for this Holiday Homestead Christmas pad. So again, here are all the items that I bought from Tuesday morning. Now, was it really worth it to take one for the team? Yes, because I think it's very important that those of us who have YouTube channels and we're talking about crafting and where to get crafting supplies at a discount, we should be on the lookout for deals that we can share with you guys. What I found at my primary Tuesday morning is that they are nowhere near where they used to be on crafting supplies. I used to have a double aisle of crafting supplies that I could shop from. And by double aisle, I mean when you go down the aisle, on both sides, from the beginning to the end, it was crafting supplies. What I found was half an aisle, and half of that half an aisle was devoted to crafting supplies. And most of those supplies would appeal to the artist, the person who does watercoloring or acrylic painting, oil painting, drawing, all of that. For those of us who were doing papercraft items, Tuesday morning isn't quite where they used to be on those papercraft items. And maybe they're getting there. Maybe they realized when they cut back a little bit on crafting, they lost a large part of the audience that would not only come into the store for crafting deals, but also some of the other deals that they had in Tuesday morning. So maybe some of the focus is going to come back on paper crafting. Now to the prices. Luckily, I have items in my stash where I can do price comparisons. Now, for most of these, probably all of them, I paid more for these than I was paying before. These are $2.99. I have packs similar to this, same amount, that was $1.99. These were $2.99. My stash contains similar items that were $1.99. The paper pads, mine used to be $5.99. Now they're $7.99. Now, would I consider that a bad deal? No, I wouldn't, because if you look online, you can still see this paper pad out there being sold for $14.99, $17.99, $19.99. So paying $7.99 for it is not a bad deal. So yes, the prices at Tuesday morning are a little higher than they used to be, but what isn't? Most things that we're shopping for now are not the same price that they were last year or the year before. So if Tuesday morning returns to the Tuesday morning of old, where they have a lot of focus on paper crafting items, will I go back? Absolutely. Because even though I paid a little bit more for all of these items that I have on my desk, I still consider it to be a good deal. Because these items, if you're searching online for them, they probably cost more than you would pay for them if you happen to have a Tuesday morning in your area, drop in, and you purchase a few items. For those of you who don't have a Tuesday morning, none of this matters to you. But for those of us who were diehard Tuesday morning shoppers, it is very encouraging to see that email come out, because maybe someone in Tuesday morning leadership realizes the power of the crafty dollar, and they realize that crafters are willing to spend those dollars if the deals and the inventory are there. Last year I did this video, but Tuesday morning, we are willing to give you another chance. We'll come back as long as you give us a reason to come back. Put some focus back on paper crafting. Give us reasonable pricing, and we'll come back. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this look at what I was able to find at Tuesday morning. I'm going to keep spot checking and sharing with you what I find, because I think it's worth it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.